Traveling the world without spending a dime sounds impossible, but it's more achievable than you might think. With the right strategies, you can explore incredible destinations for free, leveraging travel rewards, volunteer programs, and unique opportunities that most people overlook. Here's exactly how to make it happen. Many travelers fly and stay in hotels for free using credit card rewards. By signing up for travel credit cards that offer high sign-up bonuses, you can accumulate points and miles that cover flights, accommodations, and even rental cars. Responsible spending and strategic card usage allow you to maximize rewards without going into debt. Platforms like Trusted House Sitters and Nomador connect travelers with homeowners looking for someone to care for their pets or property while they're away. In exchange for free accommodation, you take care of basic household duties, often in beautiful destinations. Websites like Workaway, Woof, and HelpX offer opportunities to exchange work for free room and board. Whether it's teaching English, farming, or helping at a hostel, these experiences allow you to immerse yourself in new cultures while covering your travel costs. Couchsurfing connects travelers with locals, offering a free place to stay. Unlike traditional lodging, this experience is about cultural exchange rather than just a free bed. Some programs, like warm showers for cyclists, cater to specific types of travelers. Airlines, travel agencies, and tourism boards often host contests where winners receive free trips, flights, or accommodations. Staying updated on these opportunities and entering regularly increases your chances of winning an all-expenses-paid adventure. Some organizations provide free travel in exchange for volunteering. Programs like the Peace Corps, UN volunteers, or conservation groups may cover transportation, housing, and even stipends for living expenses. Freelancers and digital nomads can leverage remote work platforms to fund their travels. Some companies sponsor work retreats or offer travel stipends to employees, allowing you to visit new places while earning an income. Airlines sometimes overbook flights and offer compensation to passengers willing to take a later flight. Accepting these offers can earn you free travel vouchers, hotel stays, and even cash, making future trips free or heavily discounted. Traveling for free isn't just a dream. It's a reality for those who take advantage of these strategies. Whether through travel rewards, work exchanges, or volunteer programs, there are countless ways to see the world without spending a fortune. Start planning your next adventure and make your travel dreams happen without breaking the bank.